Hello everyone again, it's Miss Becker. Hope you guys are still doing okay. For today's video, I thought I would share some different strategies you can use to help you remember your multiplication facts. Alright guys, did you know that there are different ways to help you memorize your multiplication facts if it's a number that's tricking you? You can use rhyming to memorize your multiplication facts, just like, you memorize lyrics to a song. So I know that one of the trickier multiplication tables is the sevens. A lot of you guys struggle with the sevens, and some of these that I'm going to list were actually memorization tools that my teachers used when I was in 4th grade, and I still remember them and sometimes use them if I forget. So they do work. Alright, so let's start. We obviously know 7 times 1 is 7. Hope so. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. I'm still learning how to film and all that good stuff. So we have 7 times 2 is 14. And then you could have your rhyming for that is 7 and 2 were very mean. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay? So next one, 7 times 3. 7 and 3 were having fun. So what do you think, what number is going to rhyme with fun? Right, 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, if you need to figure out a problem, I'll give you guys some time, but you can always pause the video as well if you're not sure. Alright, so next one, let's do a different color. 7 and 4 were running late. Okay, what do you think is going to rhyme with late? What number set is going to rhyme with late? 7 times 4 equals 28. Okay, alright, I'm going to erase since I'm running out of room, but you can always pause this video and look back on it if you need to. Alright guys, we're going to move on to the next set, which is 7 and 5. Now with the 5s, if you multiply anything by 5, it's going to end in either a 0 or 5. So that can help you out a little bit. Okay, 7 and 5 took a dive. So do you think dive rhymes with 0 or 5? It is 5. So, and it ends up being 35. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 and 5 took a dive. You can kind of say it any way that your brain's going to memorize it. That's kind of how I would say it. So, we have, next we're going to do 6 and 7. 6 and 7 were sad and blue. So 6 times 7 equals, rhymes with blue, 42. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 and 7 were sad and blue. Alright, next one is 7 times 7. 7 and 7 were doing fine. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 and 7 were doing fine. Alright, I think I can fit one more on here. We got 7 times 8 were picking up sticks 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 and 8, we're picking up sticks. Alright, we got one more. 7 times 9. But I will have to erase and do that one when I have more room. Alright guys, so we have one more 7s to do. It is 7 times 9. 7 and 9. We're lost at sea. So what's going to rhyme with C? 7 times 9 is 63. Alright, and then 7 times 10, there's not really a rhyme for that because just any number times 10 is that number with a 0 at the end, an extra 0. 7 times 10 is 70. Okay? Now, there's one more trick that I want to show you that my dad actually taught me. I did not learn this in school, but when my dad showed me this when I was y'all's age, it was mind-blowing. So, there is a trick for the 9 times tables. You want to see? Here we go. Let me pick a good color for you guys to see. I think I'm going to try black, I guess. Okay, so we have 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. You don't have to worry about writing any of this down. It's just, there's a little pattern that you might notice as we're going on. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, we just did that one, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. All right, so with these numbers, there is a pattern. Do you guys see it? I'll give y'all a couple of seconds to see if you can see a pattern between any of these numbers. And if you want more time, you can definitely pause the video. Alright, did you figure it out? If not, that's okay. I'm going to show you what it is. Alright. Actually, I forgot to add one. 9 times 10 is 90. Anyway, there's still a pattern even with the rest of the numbers. So, the pattern is the numbers in the ones place are going down from 9 to 0. So we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And the numbers in the tens place, let's just pretend that there's an imaginary 0 here. They are going up. They go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you're not sure of a number that is in the nines multiplication table, you can kind of guess around if you know another number. Let's say you want to know 9 times 6, but you know 9 times 5 is 45. We're going to just go down 1 in the ones place. That's a 4. Then we're going to go up in the tens place. Now it's 54. Now to some of you, this may be a little more confusing. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but some people, it helps them. Like for a second, I almost forgot what 9 times 8 was, and I remember, well, it's 63 was 9 times 7, so go down 1, it's going to be 2, go up 1, it's going to be a 7. Okay, so like I said, if this is too confusing, just pretend this doesn't exist. It's fine with me. But some people like to look at math as a puzzle, and this is a perfect example of that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully it will help you a little bit. I want to see maybe during, while you're staying at home working on your schoolwork, if you can pick a multiplication table and make any rhymes out of it, whether it's the 4s, the 3s, the 10s, the 9s, or whatever you want to do. Maybe you can make your own rhymes out of it, okay? Alright, I will make another video next week. I think I will do another read aloud. That you guys seem to like that a lot. So I will let you guys go and I'll see you next week. Have a good week, good weekend, stay healthy. Bye-bye.